Hi, everybody. This is Sarah Carter, Senior Team Leader with Usborne Books and More. And today I'm going to be showing you how to convert a live into a file that you can download and save and do something else with. So to demonstrate, I'm going to use my goofy team meeting from March. So here we go. We were fairies talking about how the sky is the limit and how you can earn your wings. So what you do is you go to the video that you want to download. So here's my live. I'm going to start playing it. Then I'm going to right click on the video and I'm going to say show video URL. Okay. So then I'm going to take this, whoops, and I'm going to copy it. And I'm going to open a new window here. And I'm going to paste it and hit paste and go. Okay, so now I've got it in a separate space here.
Hey everybody,
so
we're
now
switch
I'm
things
going
up on you a little
to
bit here. We had
pause
some
it.
technical difficulties. So this just goes
if
to
I
show
can get
you
there.
that life is not always so magical, or at least not as magical as we hope.
Okay, there we go. Okay, so now I'm going to come up here and I'm going to turn it into a mobile file. And the way that I do that is I just take out the www and instead type an M. And then I go to the end of this and hit enter. Okay, so now it's going to look like this. So it looks a little bit strange. So here's the part that my computer gets a little bit cranky about. So we'll see if it's feeling up to the task today. So I happen to have a Mac, and my Mac likes it when I've got QuickTime open when I'm trying to do this. So I'm going to go to Finder here, and I'm going to open my QuickTime application while I'm doing this, because it doesn't always save the way I want it to if I don't already have QuickTime open. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to start playing the video like so. I'm going to right click, and then you can finally save the video. So I'm going to click Save Video As.
Goes to show you that life is not always so magical.
There we go.
Not as magical as we hope.
And then I'm going to save it. It automatically says MP4. So hit Save.
Fine. So we're going to go ahead
and let that go.
Back on here. So
and you can see up here that it's downloading. So if this did what it's supposed to, when you click on that, it should be right here.
Part 2 of our training.
And when you click on it,
we love you guys so much that part 1 couldn't even contain it.
Let me pause myself here. Okay, so then once it's done downloading, it shows up over here as QuickTime, and then if you press play,
hey everybody,
there's the video.
Switch things up
so it's pretty
easy.
Anybody can do it. You can do it too. Thanks for joining me.